you going to make today?
A pizza.
First thing we need to do, we need to make the dough, right?
Yeah.
We got 5 cups of flour, okay? Okay, we got 2 cups of warm water.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to make sure that your water is at least at 110 to 115 degrees.
It's 110.
Okay. And so now what we're going to do, JoJo, I'm going to open these up, and you can mix the yeast up with the water. Okay, we got an instant, fast-active yeast. So that means when we mix it up, it's going to rise pretty quick. Make sure you get all of it in there, okay?
Ooh, yeah.
All right. And you're gonna have one more to put in here. Pizza Friday. Okay. Usually on Fridays we always do fun food.
Wait, what meat fun?
This Friday right here we're gonna do some pizza love. Okay, Josiah? Go ahead on. Go ahead on and stir that up, man. Stir it up. Stir.
Put the lid on me to big.
Yeah, you want to stir it up until and let the yeast dissolve, okay? The warm water is what activates the yeast, okay? Go ahead, buddy.
Whoa!
Good job.
Okay.
All right, that was awesome. That was great. You never use this mixer unless an adult is supervising. We're going to add the yeast and the water mixture
Look, boo-boo.
to the flour. Go ahead, pour. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I kind of like start it off slow. I don't want it to be all, wait a minute, I don't want it to be all over the place. You don't want it to come out the bowl.
Whoa! Whoa!
I told you. Keep your head okay. Let it turn. Okay. Now what you're gonna do, JoJo? A
Teaspoon of salt.
Sugar and some olive oil. Go ahead and put it in there.
Everywhere?
Just pour it in. Okay, perfect.
Great job.
Then this is your olive oil. Go ahead on and pour that in there. Oh, good job.
Wonderful.
You pour things so great, so good.
Great job.
Now let's let it mix a little more.
You see how it looks like dough now?
See how it's not sticking to the bowl or anything? That's what the olive oil does. See, that's the way you want it to look. Then when you touch it, it shouldn't be all sticking all on your hand. Put a little bit. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Kids always like to go overboard, so it's okay. It's not about perfection. It's about having fun and spending time. I want you to spread this oil all over this pan like you're painting.
Paint that pan, baby.
That pan.
Paint it.
All the way around.
Yes.
All the way.
Yay! Great job. Yes, such focus. Wonderful.
Woo-woo.
Look at my little artiste. You look like an artiste right now, baby.
Bam!
Ooh.
No, that's too much. Look, take some off of it.
Oh my God.
Okay, perfect. That's good. That's all you need. See, by having a little bit of flour on your hand, when you're dealing with the dough, it keep the dough from sticking to your hands. Okay. See there, we got all the dough out of there. Now what I want you to do, sprinkle, yep, and move it around. Shape it up. You know how to do that. Shape it up. Go ahead, shape it up, buddy. Now we're gonna take it and we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put this dough. We're gonna put it. Then we're gonna put our dough right there. Okay, JoJo. Our dough is right there. No more flour. That's enough. That's enough.
No more flour. Kids, no more flour.
Then we're gonna sit it in a warm place. And what's gonna happen is that it's gonna get bigger. It's gonna rise. And when it double in volume, that's when we know that it's ready to start rolling our pizza dough.
That's gonna be so fun.
See how big it is now?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, go ahead on and flip it out of the pan. Hang it upside down.
Put no.
Come on.
Wepa.
Perfect.
Yeah, it looks like egg.
Perfect. You're gonna cut it right across there. Like that. There you go.
It looks like a butt.
It looks like a butt.
It looks like a hot in a butt.
Okay, so this right here, this is one piece of dough. Let's see how far it goes. Put that back in there, and sit it back here, and it's gonna rise a little more. Put a little flour on your roll, go ahead and roll it.
And we roll
Make sure you go all different ways, yep.
Great job. Whoa, baby, yeah.
Remember.
You remember?
Remember? Okay, go that way too. Okay. Good job. That's good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just do this right here for just a measurement. Okay, we're gonna cut. Pick it up. Then we'll take it and we'll pull it like this.
Yeah, I can't make my dough person.
A dough person? The dough boy. Make a dough boy.
Okay.
One thing we like doing, we like to spray the pan, just for precaution. We don't want things to stick. Then we're gonna take it, and we're gonna put it right on here, like that. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go around a little bit, and the cook is gonna be the perfect pizza. JoJo like making things out of the dough, and that's good because he's a kid, you know, it's about having fun.
What's this, Pookie Butt? What was that restaurant we used to go to where they gave you dough at the table?
Oh, I forgot, what's the name of that restaurant, JoJo? Oh, you wasn't here yet. Look.
Cool.
It's just Grandma.
Get Grandma?
Yeah.
So can you tell us, with a piece of dough like this, how many pieces do you think we can get out of
I
it?
think we can get probably about 4 pieces out of it.
Oh, wow.
That might even be a large pizza. JoJo putting his pieces together. He got some pizza sauce.
I think that's
put some on
good.
this- wait a minute on that one. He got his pizza sauce. We just use ragu pizza sauce. Then we got our cheese and pepperoni. And then what he's gonna do, he's gonna spread it all out.
Get it. That's full.
We're not looking for perfection. We're just having fun. Now do this one right here.
Great job, baby.
It was a good piece.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be so good.
Okay, perfect.
Have you done this before, Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. JoJo like cheese pizzas, so he's gonna put a lot of cheese on it. And I like cheese and I like pepperoni. I'm gonna make a pepperoni pizza.
Me too.
Now, we got a cheese pizza, we got a pepperoni pizza, made from homemade pizza dough, and Josiah eating pepperoni.
Say Mamma Mia.
We're gonna pop our pieces in the oven. I go one right there, and here go a cheese pizza right here,
I'm ready.
and we're just gonna let this baby cook. We got pineapples, we got seedless grapes, we got our fresh raspberries, and it's gonna be a nice looking little salad. Dig in there, put it in there, buddy. Go ahead. Good job, man. That's great, JoJo.
Is that blood?
Good job. Fill it all the way up to the top. Ooh. 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 That looks so good. Ooh. Woo. Look.
That's looking good, guys.
That looks good, don't it, JoJo? See how it looks? You do? Turn around.
Ooh.
Look. Cheese pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Do it look good?
Yeah.
You ready to eat?
Yeah.
I know. King Josiah made a cheese pizza, a pepperoni pizza, and he made some fruit cups. He cored the pineapple, stuffed it with our fresh fruit. And then Grandmommy came in and she made a salad.
How are you, my pizza?
I know.
My full-time good.
Great job, baby.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that cheese just smell. Ooh, stringy pizza. Nice and stringy the way it's supposed to be. My little boy. Good job, JoJo.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Aw, that was great.